Is your bestie's birthday coming up? Or your mom's? Or your dad's? Don't worry, we've got you covered. We've got easy, fun, DIY gifts that'll make anyone smile on their birthday. The last gift is a must-do. Are you new around here? Don't forget to subscribe to Crafty Hackers to be in the loop of all things stylish and DIY. Are you ready for this? We sure are. Tulle Keychain. First, take a piece of black paper and fold it in half, like a card. Take a round object and trace around it. Now take a smaller round object and make a smaller circle in the center. Now cut until you end up with these shapes. Now's the time for the tool. Circle it around and around the circle. Don't worry, we're not making a mini tutu. Make sure it's nice and tight and that you don't see the black anymore. Once you're done, cut off the excess tulle. Now cut off the tulle all the way around between the two pieces of black paper, like this. It should flare up like a pom-pom. Now tie some thin wire through the pom-pom and knot it. Don't forget to add the clasp. Trim some of the tulle so that the keychain is nice and round. Such a cute fluff ball. Your bestie or mom will never lose their keys again. Denim coasters. Have some jeans in the closet collecting dust? Cut the jeans across at this height, like if you were making yourself a pair of shorts. Take the pant leg and cut on either side of the seam. Save the seam because we'll be using that later. We'll also need the hem of your pants, so cut those off too. Once you've got both seams and both hems, we're ready to go. Fold them in half and roll. Make sure to glue gun once in a while so that the pants hold their new shape. This is too small to be a coaster. Let's add some more. We've got some extra denim. So let's make 2 funky coasters. So awesome! Mom is going to love these. But what about the pocket? We could do something creative with this, no? Flip it inside out and get some matching cord. Glue the cord to either side of the pocket. Flip it right side out and voila! You've got a cute little basket to store the coasters in. So cute! Frame. First, take out the back of the frame and the glass. For this craft, you'll also need cardboard, 9 wooden dowels, and 5 cute clothespins. This is already so much fun! Take the dowels and make your own pattern over the frame. Glue gun your creation in place. Mark up where the crossing dowels meet and glue them in place. This looks awesome already. Dig up some cute pictures of you and all your friends and clip them to the frame. You can also add decorations. Look at that! So pretty! It's almost too cute to give away. Message in chocolate. Melt up some chocolate over a candle or in the microwave. She also loves white chocolate, so why choose? The more chocolate, the better. Grab an ice cream cone, a Kinder Surprise egg, some paper, and a marker. Write her a sweet, personalized message. Don't get too corny. Fold it in half and roll it up. Place it in the Kinder container. While we were busy writing, the chocolate melted and is now ready to go. Hide your message in the middle of that yummy, gooey chocolate. She's going to be so surprised. Don't forget to add the white chocolate to the cone. She also loves fruit, so add some dried pineapple on top. Look at this awesome, yummy treat. Don't forget to wrap it up. Take some sparkly cardboard and fasten it into a cone shape with double-sided tape. Make sure it's secure because our gift is going to someone special. Snip off the extras and voila! Your surprise is ready to be served. Happy birthday, sis! She is going to love this. homemade tea. For this, you'll need coffee filters, lavender flowers, a lemon, and goji berries. Zest your lemon into a bowl. Oops, we missed. Add all the zest to about a cup of green tea. Add some lavender flowers on top and mix it all up. Take a coffee filter and cut it in half. Then fold down a rim on both of the now open sides. Staple in the longer side and puff up the pocket, because we're ready to add our special blend of tea. There! Now we have our own homemade tea pouch of goodness. Sew in a strand of thread and add your own custom tea bag label. We are so legit. Now we've got to wrap up our creation. Take some cardboard and fold it in half. Use that ruler you have at the bottom of your knapsack and measure out 2 inches for this rectangle. Cut it out. Cut out bits of the corners and hole punch your pretty label. Now's the time to personalize it and put all your tea bags in a jar. Tie up the label to the jar and voila! Your mini tea shop is in business, and your bestie won't get enough of your tea. But of course, you'll want to test it out first. So yummy! Tic-tac-toe on the go. You'll need a pouch to start off this craft. We found a soft velvet one. Get some ribbon and cut it into strands. After all, you'll need that tic-tac-toe board to play. 4 strands will do it. Arrange the strands and glue them onto the pouch. Awesome! But aren't we missing something? The pieces! Get some plastic animal beads in 2 different colors, and now you're ready to play. You're going to beat your brother someday. Favorite toy painting? Does your older sister have a stuffed bear she used to love? Let's make it into a painting. Spray paint the bear and make an imprint on cardboard. Make sure she's okay with that before you do it. This already looks so awesome. Fill out the details with some acrylic paint in the same color. Just dab and go. Wow, that was quick and priceless. She's going to love this. Sugar scrub. Does your mom deserve a spa-worthy shower scrub? We think so. Add about 2 cups of coconut oil to a bowl and 2 cups of sugar. Mix it up well. When it's nice and smooth, separate it into 3 bowls. Now's the time to add the vanilla extract. Add some to each bowl. You can also add some food coloring to change the color of the scrub. We recommend using 3 different colors. So pretty! Now add them into sections in a container. Awesome! This looks like the sea at sunset. Your mom is gonna love this. Just clean up the mess you made in the kitchen first. Card. Do you love making personalized birthday cards? Fold a cardboard sheet in half and draw around your hand in pencil. Cut it out. Now open it up and wow, it makes a cute heart. Write a personalized message and it's ready to go. Priceless. Package. Take an old book and detach the binding, a librarian's worst nightmare. Separate the pages and pick one to put the double-sided tape on. Fold the page into the center on both sides and fasten it to the tape. This should make it into a circle. Now fold in the sides of the page like this. Add a small piece of double-sided tape to hold it all in place. Fold in the other side and hole punch 2 holes. Now's the time for some ribbon. Tie it up real cute. Now you have the most adorable little gift bag. Eye mask. Take some cute fabric, Fold it in half and trace the outline of her sunglasses on it. Cut it out. Measure how long the ribbon will have to be to fit around her head. Cut up the ribbon and place it between the eye mask material. And sew it in place. Tuck in the extra ribbon because we're going to have to flip this all around eventually. Sew up all the way around, leaving one small area untouched. We're going to flip the eye mask around now. Now's the time to fill up the eye mask pocket. Mix rice and lavender flowers together in a bowl. Lavender is so soothing and can be really relaxing after a long day. Funnel it into the mask pocket and fill it up. Sew up the hole so that none of the rice or flowers escape. Wow, so cute! That's it for DIY gifts everyone will love. Which one of these crafts will you make first? Make sure to subscribe to Crafty Hackers if you like this video. See you next time!